Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to add a stop on the Google Maps application. So firstly we have to make the final point destination of our route, and here, as you can see, if we do so, we have here the add stops button. We have to tap that, and now we can select our stop using a pin. As you can see, let me of course select something on the map. For example, here I'll stop, and now we can start our route. And now let me unzoom. As you can see, here we have our stop. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.